So guys, welcome back to the channel. You're seeing right now, I'm just polishing the headlights. Doing one final polish because I'm about to apply the Lamin-X film. These headlights are so clear. It's unbelievable how bad they were at first. And now they look like brand new lights. So I'm just going to spray the light. And this Lamin-X film, it gives you some tabs to hold it. And I'm just going to one of the great things about Lamin-X is it could be applied and reapplied over and over again until you get it just right. I find that using a little bit more water is helpful. Making sure that this film can tack on where you want it. The main thing you don't want to do with these is tack them down and try to use the heat to stretch them, because I've made mistakes in the past where I've had wrinkles in the end after the fact. So I completed the film, however I'm not happy with my work. These may come off later. I had to cut this top part because it would just not fold. It was either here or here, something I had to give. And it was just very frustrating, and unfortunately I had to cut it. That was the only way I could salvage the film to manage to be able to use it. I still want the front protection for Brock's. Obviously this portion here, I mean, this car is not going to be out. It's be garage, so I'm not worried about this being sun-baked, but at least I have the stone protection. But if it becomes too much of an eyesore, I may just end up pulling this film off and starting again, because I don't like work that looks like this. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the left light, and we'll see how it goes. Oh, wet. Oh, spraying myself. Still spraying myself. Okay, I can do it. Which is all it is, just a one big sticker. That's all it is. One giant sticker. I may just go ahead and just trim this portion off now, because I don't want to deal with this frustration like I did before. Okay. So 2 days after applying Lamin-X, you can see I still have a lot of bubbles in here. So I'm parking the car a little bit out in the sun to hopefully get all this moisture underneath the light kind of evaporate. This one was really bad. So you can see my black grills. Almost a week later, it's like the moisture is almost gone. I'm starting to feel a little bit better about it. At first I was thinking that this white residue was going to stay, but looks like it's slowly evaporating. And really I can't tell that there's a line where I cut the film. See, this one's a little bit, got a little more air in here, water. So a little over a month, all of the moisture is pretty much 99% gone on the left side headlight. You can see I decided to leave it because you really cannot tell I had the film on the light. So I decided to leave it and the light looks crystal clear. And the passenger side, one little place here that is about to disappear. And it's like maybe right here, but everything else is coming along very nicely. I decided to leave it. You cannot tell the transition from the film. Most people don't even notice it's there. So overall, I mean, didn't turn out the way I wanted it, but looks pretty good. And I'll do one last final shot with the headlights on, just so you can see that there isn't any imperfections, and it looks pretty good. And here we go. You can see the light is absolutely clear.